Here we go. What's good, my tech friend? This is the one and only Tech Boss. So today we're going to be reviewing something, and from the title of the video you already know what we're going to be reviewing. We're going to be reviewing the HP Pavilion, I hope I said that right, gaming laptop. So you guys know exactly when I got this laptop, you know exactly when I unboxed it. So if you want to see an unboxing of that, just click on the top right hand side of the video. It will take you directly to that video, and you can watch it and see the unboxing and see what you are going to be expecting from the laptop and what's in the box and stuff like that, because it's not a cheap laptop. I'll just put it out there. It's quite an expensive laptop, so I recommend you guys going to watch that and seeing what you get in the box and if it's worth your money or not. But I think it's worth the money. But yeah, anyway, we're going to be reviewing this bad boy, and I haven't said this for a while actually, but cue the B-roll. Hey, cheers! Guys, you've seen the B-roll, so let's get into actually reviewing this thing. So first of all, you want to know what the processor is. We're going to talk a little bit about the functionality of this. No, maybe not the functionality. The what they call it, the laptop performance, like they say in France, the laptop performance. But anyway, this is actually running an Intel Core i5 9th generation. 9th generation means 9300H. I don't know why it's a H, but it's a H. And we're looking at about 8 gig of RAM actually on this bad boy. So for gaming, it's relatively good. It's not too bad. Like the beast back there, it's got 16 gig. It's brilliant at gaming. But this I mean, it's meant to be a gaming PC. So I mean, whichever RAM is in there, which is 8 gigabyte is good. So it's gonna be good for whatever you want to do. And also this RAM, the RAM is actually a DDR4 RAM, not the DDR3, because that's the old tech, and we're not looking at old tech. We're looking at the new tech now. We're in the no, we're not in the 1960s. I was gonna say we're in the 1960s. We're in the 20th century. Okay, so it's DDR4. This is running on DDR. It's got a DDR4 RAM, which is the bright and latest, and yeah, brand new technology. I reckon they're gonna bring out a DDR5. Don't know why. The graphics card, that I'm gonna say for last, but the storage on this bad boy is actually 356 gig of SSD, so this will actually run quicker, opening up your files and stuff like that, and multitasking this, that, because it's got a SSD, and SSD is way more better than HDD. Yeah, HDD. But yeah, graphics card. It's a gaming PC, so we're obviously gonna have a mad graphics card in it. The graphics card isn't over the top, but it's good for whichever title of games you want to do. GTA 5, Fortnite, Call of Duty, FIFA 10, 11, 12. I don't even know what one we're on right now because I don't play FIFA. But yeah, this has got a NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650. So it's not too bad. Then the whole size of the whole laptop, as you can see, it's 15.6 inches. So it's basically your regular size of your normal big laptops you normally get to carry around and work and stuff like that, which is pretty good. And resolution on this is full 1080p. So your videos, your movies, everything will be all in 1080p, and then it's full HD as well. So it comes in at 1120 times 1080p, something ridiculous like that, for a laptop that is pretty much not the high-end gaming laptop, but a little bit in the mid-range. Not even in the mid-range, the middle of mid-range and high spec gaming laptop is around there. It's around the high points of the gaming laptop, because it's a sick laptop. The specs is just absolutely amazing. But yeah, it's watching movies and playing games in this is brilliant, especially if whatever you're playing or doing is 1080p. The screen is just so good for that. This laptop is actually it's a laptop, so it's got Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capabilities as well. So you can connect this to a Bluetooth device and send files or whatever, and you can also connect it through internet, and also it's wireless Wi-Fi. And also I believe it should have an Ethernet cable as well. Yep, it's got an Ethernet cable right there, if you can see it. This camera will to see it. So it's got an Ethernet cable literally there as well. So you can actually plug Ethernet cable in it, or if you don't want to, you can also use it. It's got a wireless Wi-Fi, so you can use the wireless Wi-Fi if you would like. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this review, to be honest with you. But yeah, in my opinion, if you're thinking of buying this laptop, I would buy it, because it's not the best on the battery, but for gaming it's absolutely fantastic. And then for obviously productivity as well, which I use this laptop for mainly, is brilliant as well. So you're getting best of both worlds in one thing, one laptop. So which is a bonus for me. So yeah, that's been the review of the HP Pavilion gaming PC, no, gaming laptop. I always say PC, don't know why, but I need to get in my ticket that it is called down the HP Pavilion gaming laptop. I nearly said the PC as well, but yeah. Anyway guys, it's been your boy Tech Boss, and I'm gonna be outie in a minute because I got to do the shizzle. I got to edit the video and take it live for you guys. I know you guys are watching it now because I see you watching the video now, son. Anyway guys, thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to smash that like button. Also don't forget to comment down below, subscribe as well. Don't even smash the subscribe button, break the subscribe button. And yeah, we need more subs, and we need more views, so we can get a sponsor, we can get people sending us tech to review, unbox, stuff like that. But yeah, anyway, also the unboxing video I did on this, I'm gonna link it down in the description section below. It's got 1,000 views, and for me that's just absolutely amazing. Like it is. I looked at it one day at 900 views. I'm like, wow, this is mad. It's actually gonna get to 1,000 views. I was like, whoa. But yeah, it's there, and I'm so happy. But yeah, anyway guys, I'll see you guys later. Peace.